Hello everyone, I'm Sumit Tiwari and today we will be looking at how we can use the HackerRank coding platform to solve problems from TCET SHASTRA's coding contests. To get started, we need to create an account. So let's select this option and create an account. If you already have a HackerRank account, you will be directed to your own account page, and if you don't have one, you will simply have to create one by inputting your user details. Alright, now that we have our account set up, let's move to the contest link. So this is a demo contest. The links for all the contests will be provided on the WhatsApp groups. Let's enter this contest. Since this is only a demo contest, it only has one problem, but in the actual contest, there will be around 3 problems with varying level of difficulties. This problem has been assigned a difficulty rating of easy and it has been assigned a maximum score of 1. This is success rate and it will change live during the contest based on how many people successfully solve the particular problem. You can check the leaderboard, compare progress with other users, and also review your own submissions during the contest. And let's get into this problem. This is the problem statement, which is basically just the description of what the problem is asking from you. So this is a very simple foo bar problem where you have been given an integer n and you have to print the sequence of foos and bars on with each foo and bar on a separate line. Suppose n is 3, then our resulting sequence should be foo bar foo. Alright, let's look at the input format. The first line will contain a number of test cases and the following t lines will contain a positive integer n. The constraints state that t will be from 1 to 10 and n will be from 1 to 100. The output format is we basically have to print the resulting sequence, and let's look at a sample test case. Here test cases, or the number of test cases is 1 and the value of n is 5. So our resulting output should be foo bar foo bar foo 5 times. Alright, this is the browser IDE of HackerRank platform, and it supports a variety of languages like C, C++, Java, Python. You can select whichever language you prefer, and also if you do not prefer using the browser IDE, you can use your own text editors. I prefer using my own text editor, and let's try to solve this problem. We have already input the value of t here and we have started a loop for t iterations, and in here we will input the value of n and we will start a for loop from 1 till n, and we will check if I is even or odd. If I is let's say odd, then in that case we will have to print foo f-o-o and we will leave a line. Otherwise, if I is even, then in that case we will print bar and we will leave a line. Let's copy this, move to our browser IDE, paste it in here. Let's run our code. By default, your code will run against the sample test case, and as you can see, we got the green tick, which means it passed that given test case. You can also create your own test cases to test your problem against it. And let's now hit our submit button to check if our code performed. All of the test cases have passed, and that's how you will use the HackerRank coding platform for solving problems of TCET SHASTRA coding contest. Hope it helped. Thank you for watching.